Today's video is about a shepherd seeking revenge on wolves. Two cane corsos team up to capture one wolf. The story starts a few days ago when the shepherd spotted a pack of 4 wolves near his sheep. The wolves, hungry from winter, were circling the sheep looking for an opportunity. The shepherd quickly sent his 2 dogs to drive the wolves away and move the sheep toward the village. The dogs didn't immediately spot the wolves, likely because of the distance. The shepherd didn't want to fight, but just to warn the wolves that the dogs were ready. Days later at night, the shepherd saw a lone wolf by a streetlight in the village. Wolves rarely travel alone, so he knew others were nearby. The wolves had already attacked and killed one of his cane corsos in the village. A villager filmed the attack, showing how the hungry pack overpowered the dog. Though the dog wore a protective collar, it couldn't defend itself against 4 wolves. The wolves, emboldened by their success, continued to hunt in the village. The villager didn't intervene because the dog had already been killed, and it wasn't his dog. The next day, the shepherd heard of another wolf near the village. He and a friend sent their 2 experienced cane corsos after it. Wolves are protected in Turkey, so they couldn't hunt them, but sending the dogs after them was fair game. Though the video didn't show how the dogs caught the wolf, it ends with the wolf on the ground, pinned by the 2 dogs. The cane corsos didn't back down, overpowering the wolf in the end.